TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. To begin, a great relationship, know what you want. This is a great card. Know what the needs of your body are, what the needs of your mind are, and what fits well with you. There are millions of men and women. Some of them will make a good match for you and others won't. The two of you only to be like a key and a lock, a match that works. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 3, NASDAQ up 52, S&P's up 4, gold contract up $8.90, trading at $13.40 an ounce. Silver up 5 cents, $17.04 an ounce. Copper flat, down 7.5 cents, $3.12 a pound. Light sweet crude, $63.49 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 12 ticks, 122.15. 30-year bond up 22 ticks, 149.12. And King Dollar down 306 ticks, trading out at 89.885. The euro is at 122.98, just about 123. The yen is at 110 and a quarter. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? You got another day, you got another dollar, you got another high. Cash S&P, we're at 28.39, finishes at an all-time high. Dow Industrials, same type of setup. You at an all-time high. It didn't do much, but the bottom line, you're only down $3. It's laying out here at the all-time high, 26.210. The composite, same setup in the composite, meaning the difference is in the composite and the NDX 100 has price spread. The composite up $52 at 74.60. NDX 100 also had price spread out here. Inside the NDX, that was up 57 at 69.63. The strength inside the NDX 100 was a big one out here today. Netflix was up 10%. We had Hasbro up 4%, Vertex Pharmaceutical was up 2.8, and you had Lam Research up 2.8. Gold contract, what do we have with the gold contract? That caught a bid out here. Gold contract traded up 880. You're at 1340.70. Now, what's cool about this is this, folks. So the gold contract broke topside, and it broke topside on the 12th of January. We went from 1320 to 1340. We've built cars out here for 7 trading days. Inside building cars, on the 16th, we got to a high of 1345. We have 500,000 contracts. Okay, so depending on how long you've been listening to me, if you have the out of time in the trade, you know that high volume highs, high volume lows, they like to get tested. This is a nice indication. 2 different things end up happening here. We went higher today. You had an expansion of volume today. We stopped before the high, which is exactly what you want to do when you're going after this high at the end of the day. The reason is that the amount of energy it takes to get the highs or lows is quite a bit. So what we have here now is this. It had a low today of 1330. You're at 1340, accelerated all the way up. What you're going to see out here, more than likely tonight, I expect we're going to hit the 1345. This will probably come in tomorrow, and we'll see whether it can get up and over it. But when you're talking about a Wednesday in the marketplace, it can do 500,000 contracts real easy. It's not a Monday, it's not a Friday. Both of those days, you'll get a little bit less volume. On Fridays, if the metals market's been going down, they can hammer it. What you have here is that is going to open up the 1365 high swing point from September 8th. And if we get that, if I put this gold back and show you something here, it's pretty cool how this is set up. And what it is this. This is the longer setup. So the longer setup inside this market, the metal market, gold in particular, goes like this. 2015, and I know a lot of you tigers and tigers who were in this market in 2015. 2015, gold hits a low at 1046. The acceleration from December up to July was phenomenal. We go from 1046 to 1377. That's just in the metals market. The equities themselves, we know the equities went up about 100%. Okay, so that's your first run. We go from July of 1377. First time gold gets hit big in October of 16. We go from 1316 to 1249. Tries to get higher, gets slammed again, and the second slam came down $120 in a week. 1338 to 1218. Okay, we make a high, we make a low once again in December. That low is 1123. So what I want you to wrap your head around here is this, is that, in fact, I'll put this up as we're doing this. This is so much. Okay, so your first acceleration up, 1046 up to 1378. Then we did a 0.786 retracement. That's a very deep retracement, folks. When you do a deep retracement like that, you can't expect to go take out the high. And sure enough, we didn't. What we did is that we went from a price point, the December of 2016, we made a much higher low. The low was 1123 versus the low of 1046. We do an acceleration up to 1358. Wasn't bad. Not a huge amount of bread, though, even in the equities. Not bad, but certainly not like we went from 2015 up to 2016. Okay, so then, let me pull this a little bit closer so you can see how this shakes out. Then what we did, we backed down again. And what I want to show you on this back down, this is what's crucial that you're going to see this. So we'll go from 1122, we get up to 1358. The back down making our low in December was only a 50% retracement. That, folks, is dynamite for two different reasons. 50% retracement is a normal retracement. You can have a large ABC structure on the way up. We came off that low with wide price spread, with volume. When they start putting that together, that's telling me that we're going for that, and in fact, we can take that out. And if I pull this back just a little bit more, because the first time you heard me say 1600 was in the last show, and what you're going to see, we launch this 1377. 16 is where that vicious downdraft was in April of 2013. The low of that is 1323. You can see we're already into that. We're getting into that. The high of that is 1602. Up and away, and that king dollar, toast. Get out the peanut butter, get out the jelly, get out the cream cheese. Coming right back. Hi, folks.